Home additions. The truth on costs and timelines. Adding more space to your home is a dream that many people share. But while a home addition is one of the most desirable renovation projects, it often comes with steep costs. Because a home addition isn't just extra square footage. It's structural engineering, zoning rules, architectural design, and a very real financial investment. So before you start sketching out that dream primary suite or expanded kitchen, let's talk about what actually goes into it. First, we'll break down cost. In most markets, home additions range between $200 and $600 per square foot. In higher cost areas, expect the number to be $450 or more per square foot, especially if the addition includes a kitchen or bathroom. So what does that mean in real terms? A 200 square foot bedroom addition might cost somewhere between $40,000 and $80,000, depending on finishes and structural complexity. A 400 square foot primary suite with a bathroom could range from $100,000 to $160,000 or more, particularly if plumbing lines need to be extended or upgraded. And if you're adding a full second story, say 1,000 square feet, you could be looking at $200,000 to $400,000, especially if your foundation needs reinforcement. Why such a wide range? Because what's behind the walls matters just as much as what you see. For example, bathrooms are more expensive per square foot than bedrooms because they involve plumbing, waterproofing, tile work, ventilation, and higher-end fixtures. Even relocating a plumbing stack can add several $1,000s. Upgrading your electrical panel to handle new square footage? That can run $3,000 to $5,000. Foundation reinforcement for a second story? That can easily add $10,000 to $30,000 depending on your home. Which brings us to what should be step one in your process: assessing feasibility. Before design begins, you need to understand your zoning. Most municipalities regulate things like lot coverage, setbacks, and floor area ratio, or FAR. If your zoning only allows you to build up to, say, 2,000 total square feet, and you're already at 1,900, your expansion options may be limited without a variance. You'll also want to factor in permitting costs, which can range from a few $1,000s to significantly more depending on your city and project scope. Now let's talk about how you can bring your addition to life. Step 1 is budgeting and preliminary design. This is where you align your wish list with a realistic investment range. It's common for homeowners to initially underestimate costs by 20 to 30%, simply because additions involve so many systems working together. Step 2 is detailed design and permitting. Architectural drawings, engineering plans, and permit approvals can take anywhere from several weeks to a few months, depending on your location. During this time, material selections also begin. Keep in mind that finishes matter when it comes to cost. Custom windows, higher-end flooring, or specialty siding will all influence your final number. Step 3 is pre-construction. Long lead items like windows or specialty materials may need to be ordered early. This stage ensures your timeline doesn't stall mid-build. Then comes construction, the fourth and final stage. Most additions take 3 to 6 months of construction time, sometimes longer for larger or more complex projects. Now, let's talk smart planning. One of the most strategic moves you can make is thinking beyond today. If you're already investing in an addition, consider whether adding an extra closet, roughing and plumbing for a future bathroom, or slightly expanding the footprint now could save you from another major renovation later. Also consider resale. Functional additions like primary suites, expanded kitchens, or additional bathrooms often provide stronger long-term value than hyper-specific spaces. And finally, contingency. With additions, especially in older homes, surprises can happen once walls are opened. It's wise to plan for a 10 to 20% contingency budget to account for unforeseen structural or system updates. A home addition is a significant investment. But when done thoughtfully, with proper planning, clear budgeting, and experienced guidance, it can completely transform how your home functions and feels. This plan will help you build with intention and renovate with confidence.